Hey everyone, my name is Mike. Welcome to my home. So for the next 10 minutes or so, I'm going to give you a peek into my life with AI and show you how LG ThinQ and Google Assistant can make your day more convenient, more comfortable. So we are going to walk through what could be a typical weekend morning. So let's imagine that it's Saturday, just after 8 a.m. I wake up, I come downstairs, and with a simple good morning into my LG V30S ThinQ, I get the weather and I get my schedule for the day, just like this. Okay, Google, good morning.
Hey, Mike. The time is 8:24 a.m. Right now in Barcelona, it's 36 and mostly sunny. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecast high of 52 and a low of 37. By the way, you need to plan to watch your kids' football match today. Have a great day.
There you go. So Google Assistant gave me the weather. It's mostly sunny, but kind of cold out today, and it reminded me that my kids have a football game. Now this is just one of the possibilities. You could also set it up so that you say good morning, and your lights turn on, and some of your appliances turn off, and some of your appliances turn on. Basically anything you want. And this is a really great way to start a morning. So the next thing I like to do when I wake up is a bit of stretching just to, limber up for the day. But before I get to my workouts, there are a few things I want to set up. Now, I like to have something cool to drink when I'm done working out, so I want to make sure I have ice. Now, with my LG V30S ThinQ, I can actually manage and control any smart home appliance that works with Google Assistant, like so. Okay, Google, turn on Ice Plus and refrigerator.
You got it, turning on Ice Plus on the refrigerator.
There you go. Now, the Ice Plus function makes ice faster, so by the time I'm done with my admittedly very short workout, I'm going to have plenty of ice. The next thing I like to do, okay Google, turn on air conditioner.
Sure, turning on the air conditioner.
Now, I can actually monitor the status of my air conditioner from anywhere using the LG Smart ThinQ app and Google Assistant, and I can actually control it from anywhere. So when I'm in my car on my way home from work, I can actually turn on my AC, so by the time I get to my house, it's nice and cool. Last thing I like to do, okay Google, set temperature to 68 degrees.
You got it, setting the air conditioner to 68 degrees.
Just to clarify, that is of course 68 degrees Fahrenheit, not Celsius. That would be me doing hot yoga. So what did I do? I made sure I have ice, turned on my air conditioner, set the perfect temperature, all with a few voice commands. Now, how could you not love living in a house that does everything you just ask it to? So I'm just about ready for my workout, so one last thing. Okay Google, ask LG to search stretching video on USB on TV. Now I can actually use my LG smartphone and Google Assistant as a remote control, so I don't need a separate remote. Of course I have all my basic functions like stopping and playing videos, and also as you'll see, I can search. Okay Google, ask LG to select. So this is my workout video. Feel free to join me. It's only about 45 minutes. We'll be out of here in no time.